Generally, when you have to move a photo or video from the gallery of your Samsung phone to a secure folder, you will just select the photo and you will select this option more, and here there should be an option to move to secure folder, but at the moment it is not there. So what you have to do is open the notification panel, pull it down, and here there is an option secure folder. Tap on it. You have to use the pin code to open the secure folder. Now close it. Again go to gallery and again try to send any photo to the secure folder. So select any of the photo, go to move. Now this time you can see there is the option move to secure folder, and if you select it, the photo will be moved to the secure folder. So what had happened was secure folder was hiding in your Samsung phone. So once you unhide it, then you will get the option to move the photo to the secure folder. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.